I'm here with Ian Hughes, Aber Town's manager. 1-0 draw TNS, great result.
Yeah, it's a good result and an even better performance really. We dug deep, we had to dig deep. We've got a couple of players there nursing injuries that have come through and played 90 minutes for me. And I thought we were exceptional. They're a special bunch in that dressing room. And I think it was partly a mental thing coming to TNS over the years. I think it's been quite a mental thing for the players. They've got over that today and they've demonstrated their character. So next time we come here, there shouldn't be any negativity around coming to TNS because we proved we can match them, more than match them.
The first half was quite gritty, but then a brilliant second half, got the ball down, started to play more.
Yeah, I think it was about keeping in the game in the first half. I think the first thing in the first half was make sure you're in the game with 20 minutes to go and then we're going to go for it. And I thought being 1 down, we were still in the game. And then obviously Chris Venable scores the goal and he had another chance just before that. So it was about staying in the game for as long as we could and then giving us a platform then to try and go and get a result.
And a slight formation change when Jonah came on?
Yeah, no, not really. We kept the same formation, but we just put Jonah down the middle and Jeff onto the right. I thought Jeff could cause a couple of problems centrally today, but no, the formation stayed the same.
Say that in a match like this, it's all about concentration levels, staying on the ball, you know where your defence is, you know where midfield is. How good is that for concentration?
It's communication. It's the first thing. They've got to communicate and talk, and in high pressure situations, and they did that. They kept their concentration levels high, and obviously that's tough. You know, when you're tired, concentration levels start to go, communication starts to sort of deteriorate. But our players were exceptional tonight in terms of the way they pass players on, the way they pick players up, and you know, looking at the end of it, you probably think they put a good shift in there. Professional TNS, so towards the end of the game we expected a bit of an onslaught once we'd equalised, but we stood up to the task and we were exceptional well.
Next week, Bangor away.
Tough game, Bangor away, yeah, it's going to be a tough game. You know, they'll be fighting for their lives and quite rightly really. You know, they're a big club in this league and they're in a false position I think. So we've got to make sure that, you know, to make this result even more important, we've got to go there and get a result as well. So there's no point going up there next week and losing. And then obviously this result doesn't look as good as what it would do if we take 4 points out of obviously TNS and Bangor away.
So you drop points against Bangor at home. How important is it to win, not just to keep up at the top, but being rivals as well?
Yeah, you know, whether they're rivals or not, you know, I've got a lot of respect for Bangor City Football Club and the work that's gone on there over the past couple of years. But you know, we're here. You know, we want to do the best we possibly can, and I think the boys have demonstrated tonight. And they've got the hunger and they've got the desire. As long as they've got that hunger and desire next week, we should be okay.